history of the USA began with indigenous populations, followed by European colonization beginning in the 16th century, leading to the American Revolution and the formation of the United States in 1776. Key events include the Louisiana Purchase, the expansion westward, the Civil War over slavery, and its emergence as a global power after 2 world wars. You can watch this video for a visual overview of the history of the USA. Beginning to now, YouTube, November 16th. 2024 European colonization and revolution. Indigenous peoples. The Americas were inhabited by diverse indigenous peoples for thousands of years before European arrival. European settlement. Starting in the 16th century, European powers like Spain, France, and England established settlements in North America. American Revolution. The 13 British colonies fought for independence, establishing the United States of America in 1776. Expansion and conflict. Westward expansion. The young nation expanded rapidly across the continent, a process that involved acquiring territory like the Louisiana Purchase in 1803. Civil War. In the 1860s, the nation was divided over the issue of slavery, which led to a brutal civil war. The North's victory ended slavery and began the process of healing the divided country. Rise to global power. World wars. After the Civil War, the United States grew into a powerful nation. Its victory in 2 world wars established it as a robust, major world power. Modern era. The nation continued to evolve, facing new challenges and expanding its influence on the global stage in the 20th and 21st centuries.